All right, guys, we're here at Flooky's in Chatsworth, California, trying out the breakfast burrito. Look at that thing. Looks like a thing of beauty. It's got ham, bacon, sausage. You know the deal. Check that out. Can't wait to dig into that. Pour a little of the salsa on there. Oh, yeah. That's pretty damn good. Oh, that salsa got a little kick. A little salsa, a little ranch. You gotta jazz it up. That's good with that ranch and the salsa. Excellent. It's chili dog time. A little mustard, onions, cheese. You know the deal. Oh, yeah. Oh, that bun's nice and soft. Gotta have a nice bun. Good stuff, guys. Oh, I'm enjoying this dog. That's gonna be a 5-biter. That's pretty good for me. That was 4. Oh, yeah. Oh, that guy jumped off the cliff. Fabulous chili dog. He's like a homemade chili. Good stuff. That's a good quality dog. Check that out, guys. That's a beautiful burger there. Looks like a commercial. Wow, it's a piece of art. Guys, we've got the cheeseburger. Got onions, lettuce, tomato. You know the deal. Got all the trimmings. That's a beautiful burger. Oh, no bacon on that. Now we're talking Big Jim style. Nice flavor, baby. You know we gotta ranch it up. Try a little salsa on there and ranch. Oh yeah. Guys, let me tell you something. Flookies ain't fluking around. This place is the real deal. Good burgers, chili dog dynamite, breakfast burrito. Good job. Flookies, you're Big Jim approved. Boom.